Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate average score in Excel. So let's start some Excel, and here you can see I have some student data with the different subject score. So here I'm going to calculate the average score of the all subject. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and just enter the average functions. So select here the average functions, then use the Ctrl A, the shortcut key, to open the function arguments. Here in numbers, click on this arrow and select the range of data. So I select the range of data here, B2 to D2. Okay. So, and again, I click on this arrow and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see the average score is calculated. Simply drag below this formula, and here the average score is calculated. If you want to remove the decimals, just simply select the cell, go to the Home tab in Numbers group. Click on this option, decrease decimal. Just click on it and see the changes over here. The decimal is decreased. The second way, simply select the cell, use the shortcut key Ctrl 1, and here you can see the Format Cell dialog box is open. In category, click on the numbers options. In numbers, you can see the sample here. Decimal places is 2. You can use the arrow key to decrease and increase the decimal, and you can just enter the manually to decrease decimal. Okay, click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see decimal is decreased. So this is a way you can calculate the average score in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.